What if I told you that the biggest reason SCHD has become one of the most popular dividend ETFs has almost nothing to do with its dividend yield? Most investors think they're buying SCHD for passive income, but the real advantage is hidden inside the way the fund chooses its companies. Stay until the end, because I'll show you why this difference could completely change how you evaluate every ETF you own. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments, do you currently own SCHD, or are you thinking about buying it? Your answer helps everyone learn from different investing experiences. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or investment advice. When people compare ETFs, they usually focus on performance charts. They ask questions like, which ETF made the highest return? Which ETF pays the biggest dividend? Which ETF has the lowest expense ratio? Those questions matter. But they often miss the one question that separates great ETFs from average ones. How does the ETF actually decide what to own? That is where SCHD becomes different from almost every other ETF. You see, many ETFs simply follow the biggest companies in an index. If a company becomes large enough, it automatically earns a bigger position. SCHD doesn't work that way. Instead of rewarding size, SCHD rewards quality. That single difference changes almost everything. Let's imagine you're hiring employees for your business. One strategy is to hire the tallest people in the room. Another strategy is to hire the people with the best track record, strongest work ethic, and most consistent results. Which group would you rather trust to build your company? That's essentially the difference between many market cap weighted ETFs and SCHD. SCHD doesn't simply ask, who's biggest? It asks, who's consistently profitable, financially healthy, and committed to rewarding shareholders. That's a much higher standard. One reason SCHD stands apart is that it starts with companies that have demonstrated a history of paying dividends over time. But that's only the beginning. Many investors stop there. They assume SCHD simply buys dividend-paying companies. Not true. SCHD applies several quality filters designed to eliminate weaker businesses. The fund looks for characteristics such as strong cash flow generation, healthy returns on capital, sustainable dividend payments, and solid financial strength. This matters because not every dividend is created equal. A company can temporarily pay a high dividend while its business is falling apart. SCHD attempts to avoid those situations by emphasizing businesses with stronger underlying fundamentals. That means investors aren't simply chasing income. They're investing in companies that have demonstrated operational discipline. Another feature that makes SCHD unique is something investors rarely discuss. It is what SCHD refuses to own. Every investment is defined not only by what it includes but also by what it excludes. SCHD regularly removes companies that no longer meet its standards. That's incredibly important. Many investors become emotionally attached to stocks. Funds don't. If a company weakens financially or no longer satisfies the screening process, SCHD can replace it with stronger candidates during its scheduled rebalancing. Think about that for a moment. Instead of asking investors to constantly monitor dozens of companies, the rules-based process does much of that work automatically. That's one reason many long-term investors appreciate SCHD. It encourages discipline rather than emotional decision-making. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to continue creating detailed ETF analysis like this every week. Now let's talk about another misconception. Some people believe SCHD is simply an income investment. That isn't the complete story. Yes, SCHD produces dividend income. But income alone isn't what has attracted long-term investors. The more interesting story is the combination of dividend growth and business quality. Imagine receiving a paycheck that increases almost every year instead of staying the same. That's the idea behind dividend growth investing. Many of SCHD's holdings have long histories of increasing their dividend payouts while continuing to expand their businesses. Over time, those growing payments can become increasingly meaningful for patient investors. Instead of chasing the highest yield available today, SCHD emphasizes companies that have the financial ability to keep rewarding shareholders into the future. That's a subtle but powerful difference. Another reason SCHD feels different is its balance. Some ETFs become heavily concentrated in one sector or a handful of companies. SCHD spreads its investments across multiple industries while still maintaining relatively concentrated positions in companies it considers high quality. This creates an interesting middle ground. You're not relying on only a few businesses. But you're also not owning hundreds of companies simply for the sake of diversification. Each holding has earned its place. That selective approach helps explain why SCHD often looks very different from broad market ETFs. Sometimes that works in its favor. Sometimes it doesn't. And that's perfectly normal. Great investing isn't about winning every single year. It's about having a strategy you can stick with through different market environments. Here's another difference many investors overlook. SCHD doesn't try to be everything. It doesn't promise maximum growth. It doesn't promise maximum income. It doesn't promise maximum diversification. Instead, it focuses on one clear mission: owning financially strong companies with attractive dividend characteristics. Ironically, this narrow focus is exactly what makes it so versatile. Some investors pair SCHD with growth ETFs like QQQM or SCHG. Others combine it with broad market ETFs such as VOO. Some retirees use it to generate income. Young investors use it to reinvest dividends for decades. The same ETF serves different goals because its foundation is built on business quality rather than market hype. Here's a perspective that isn't discussed enough. Most investors spend enormous amounts of time searching for the perfect stock. But perhaps the better question is, what investment process consistently finds strong companies without requiring me to predict the future? SCHD offers one possible answer. Its rules don't depend on headlines. They don't rely on social media trends. They don't chase the newest excitement in the market. Instead, the methodology focuses on measurable financial characteristics that have historically been associated with durable businesses. That doesn't guarantee future success. Nothing in investing does. But it creates a disciplined framework that many investors find easier to trust than emotional decision-making. Of course, SCHD isn't perfect. There will be years when technology stocks dominate and SCHD underperforms. There will be years when growth dramatically outpaces dividend-paying companies. There will also be years when defensive, profitable businesses outperform the broader market. Every strategy has strengths and weaknesses. Understanding those trade-offs is far more important than expecting any ETF to outperform forever. The best investors don't look for perfection. They look for consistency. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your opinion. Do you think business quality is more important than chasing the highest dividend yield? Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with someone who is trying to build a smarter ETF portfolio. So, why is SCHD different from every other ETF? Not because it pays dividends. Not because it has a low expense ratio. Not because millions of investors own it. SCHD stands apart because of its philosophy. It prioritizes financially strong businesses over sheer size. It emphasizes sustainable dividends instead of flashy yields. It follows a disciplined process rather than emotional investing. And perhaps most importantly, it reminds investors that successful long-term investing isn't about finding the hottest stock. It's about consistently owning great businesses through a thoughtful, repeatable strategy. The next time someone tells you SCHD is just another dividend ETF, you'll know the truth. Its greatest strength isn't the dividend itself. It's the quality-first system working behind the scenes that most investors never notice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.